papa ne ba usu timi kobi now mame ko Asiedu Nketia de no so hwe Asiedu Nketia no won ya na ye ka ebi obi beka se papa na nyini nti ni kwa se ne kasa sa ai and there when he's old enough to be my father but wicked enough not to be my father mame ka se bi nchira wo what can hold that say why is it that the NDC people omo attain power omo go through omo hierarchy na no ma say so omo busuafo nyina kogu abrochiri if they meant good for Ghana Rollins buy was say ne man nyina kogu abrochiri say ye de yen hiafo mangu Ghana na ne bazinato enkoye doctor no mbedi so and in fact people of Kolekrote see nothing wrong with what went on elder so koto abama zinato so mbedi obi ane papa de omani sika at the expense of you. And a swan no call ye chin was in a down for bruni be na channel. No aba, Monto aba mammy. Now the old mammy, the mine is going to be do kwa brocha, and gay umbe mampe no as uncle to aba no dia mano. All but one can't them say, Cole Laguna da hono, or be any cleaning the ways is what Naso say. Maybe. What Naso how many years in it? Mummy and fair no to chain. Asiedu Nketia said the American no was a wicked man. Na ono no ambition say obey lead NDC na wa ba be flag bearer. Enye Mahama ho no odwene because o hwe short na Asiedu Nketia beto say they went to court omuni evidence bia na opeso o ka kire say Mahama, excuse my language, is useless in terms of presidency and candidacy say yemfa no embe just Mampenny because or person chile say Mahama ye jai Ghana man or best say no why na dreams or person say Ghana because I to very peacefully na mutimi koka chile ye say abano mo wini abra mo kra no munki mesi NDC no let us dare them say 1992 year to about 96 year to about 2000 year to about 2004 year to about 2008 year to about 2012 year to bisa a single collation of these elections, they cannot and they have never. They always win elections from electoral commission. They bring there. They have never themselves gathered any pink sheet. In any case, I say Nketia case or beka you know. Or say or machine no e crash here meboa. Thank you. I say Nketia the answer be to answer my beka you know. Sa you know true na entimi antina wumu onsentro no koraba mu entimi ntina you let it out ubeka ye no ye de nyansa to ho ne wakasa Asiedu Nketia ka che so mo computer crash ye me pa chaw wo kwota untimi mfa computer nkotena ho se wo de kwaya dance here from my computer that is why in 2012 MPP kono na wo computer but we never went there with computer. We went there with certified pink sheet from the Electoral Commission. And to the computer, Electoral Commission can just tell you, say, oh, I don't know the computer. I have not issued any computer out. And this our computer crashing, and now you had the pink sheet from your various voting centers, polling stations. Now, what prevented you from going to court with a pink sheet? Mokasi Jimmy Modi Admi Bediagro. Pink sheet now, but Umiadi Koko Chile. Afarijan sa abatu oni we wiemu no afarijan no agitu mu se we wiemu no eno mo anya bi anase no so mo computer crash and it crash with a pink sheet. You think we are sabi Jimmy for you wow. Anyway, you are talking to the NDC people, shallow minded people, so you can easily convince them on that. But yeah, from the other side MPP there masa adwini mu door deep. You cannot just talk. You cannot just talk. Now, NDC has a little over 6 million core, let's say, sympathizers. And a political party, on to 6 million, so, or say for 33 million man on one so. And penny for say, kusiketria, any free Akrantenam. Because Akrantia is more expensive. Akrantia is more expensive than Kusie. And it's all be free Kusie and one to me. Probability say we free Akrantia won't mean 99.99%. And if you cannot contain 6 million people. Yet you are advocating. You are appealing to us, saying for 33 million Ghanaians. Ghana for say hell no, we can't do that. Look at what is happening. Over some powerful. May can be see asem so. Abe catch NDC for ni say. Modie Ekufuado aban we winning the clear. Ye ja papa no pa jai Ghana di mana. Said the MPP by boy Juma she Ghana no. Ye sign baba ye den. Enti de beti ma ya ni say. Je say ye twitwa ntro. Ye ma wudie kokwaso ne anya asamaka. Na nka party a mufiri aban mu ana we mu aba. De mo ba ye mo be ye nko ahu who they run a monk by now, Mobo, sending a who's a send this for the year say, say. I bet Pimon ne. Muntimin country say, ya by 8 years, 28 to 2016, no, and this year be say, name mum, MPP, Timmy Abe, Chay say, through court, Abe Chay say, Mube Ria mine. In fact, more than 6. But I can confirm to you, say, 6 NDC followers. Sympathizers, hardcore ones, egunsawam, yina ye nimsam, omotai ko kwasra omo ewo ensawam. Criminals. I'm come to give you 4 reasons why you should never queue and vote for NDC. Where they are wanted to me twa adwesi bibi so. Edo for some for beka kira ye say. Yan diewu. Yan chechen krofo. Nani papa let's take them to the cleanest. Electoral commissioner we buy budget and national to say na air cost you over $32 million. Mami we buy or baba ye budget in fufro at the corona and to say $32 million no. Jermaine Sabaye what the $3 million ye. So why do you then talk against this woman? Because of example for amomo mandate say when I'm quiet, said the bear benya samaka. Na abu a woni dua no empanyifo se nyame na ne pra no ho. Okay. Sorry, connection network problem no mami breakage kakra. Nyame ne pra no ho. Ena mu call street ekwedi nsem huna eye de mu be nyina awie de akokot ye modifo toto court din say wo mu say ya na nyame say ebre na so mu am nkoka no kore no na mo ba beka kire say mu ankasa no nyame anim no any idiot could go to court until na mobile